Hi, this is Katia Di Mariano, Investiga Tu product specialist, here to talk about our amazing product, Investiga Tu phone. The Investiga Tu phone is a software that must be installed on a mobile phone that you decide to control. The device is connected to a controller mobile phone which sends invisible SMS as instruction to activate control. With the Investiga Tu phone, you can, first of all, receive a copy of all the SMS sent and received by the controlled mobile phone. But let's see the demonstration. For this demonstration, we will use 3 mobile phones. This is the one in which we installed the Investiga Tu phone software. So it's the only mobile phone that can be controlled. This is the controller mobile phone, and this is a normal mobile phone with a normal SIM. For this demonstration, we will try to send an SMS from the Investiga Tu phone to a normal mobile phone. And we will see that the controller mobile phone will receive an exact copy of the SMS that the Investiga Tu phone will send. So let's see how it works. I'll write a short message on the Investiga Tu phone. And I send it to the normal mobile phone. So, the normal mobile phone should receive the SMS, and the controller mobile phone will receive an exact copy of the SMS. So let's see. This is the normal mobile phone that received my SMS. And we can see that at the same time, the controller mobile phone received a copy, an exact copy of the SMS. So we will see the SMS body, the text, I see you later, love. And we can see also the mobile phone, the Investiga Tu Spyphone number, and the mobile phone that received the SMS from the Investiga Tu. The exact thing happens when a normal mobile phone sends an SMS to the Investiga Tu phone. So my controller mobile phone will receive a copy of the mobile phone receiver, so the Investiga Tu one, and from the normal mobile phone. We must remind you that the Investiga Tu phone, so the mobile phone in which we install the software, is the only mobile phone that can be controlled. And the Investiga Tu controller is the only mobile phone that can control the Investiga Tu phone. There's no other mobile phone that can control one of these mobile phones. Another important capability is to intercept all the incoming or outgoing calls in an absolutely secret way. Let's see how it works. And now let's see how works the interception of calls. So let's try to call from the Investiga Tu phone another number. This is the normal mobile phone that will receive the phone call. We accept phone call, and suddenly the controller mobile phone will receive an SMS with all the details of this outgoing call. Let's wait. See? This is the mobile phone from which we made the phone call, so the Investiga Tu phone. This is the number which receive the phone call. We can choose to call our Investiga Tu phone and start the interception of the call. So let's try to call it. Waiting call. We see a conference call, so at the moment we are intercepting the phone call between the Investiga Tu phone and the other phone. You can notice that on the Investiga Tu phone any trace will appear of this interception because anything changed. So we cannot notice that another mobile phone is listening the conversation. And for an absolute control, another important function is the long-distance environmental listening. Let's see the video. The environmental listening is another important capability of the Investiga Tu phone, but let's see how it works. This is our controller mobile phone, already set for this kind of capability. So we can call our Investiga Tu phone. When the phone call will start, we will send an invisible instruction to the Investiga Tu phone that will be activated by this invisible instruction. The phone call is starting, and we can notice that the Investiga Tu phone display will remain exactly the same, so no one will suspect that another mobile phone is listening what is happening around it. Anything changed. The controller mobile phone is the only phone that will control everything, so he knows what is happening. This is the only mobile phone that will listen everything and can stop the conversation. At the same time, if the Investiga Tu phone will receive another phone call from another mobile phone, the environmental listening will be ended suddenly, and the controller mobile phone will receive another SMS to start the interception if he wants to start an interception. So we can decide to end listening and start the interception of this phone call, or we can decide just to let it go. This feature is very useful also in other contexts apart from spying. For instance, you can use the controlled mobile phone to check if your baby sleeping in another room is crying. Just sending an SMS to the Investiga Tu phone from the main controller phone, and you will activate the listening without the turning on of any lights or sound. It will work in perfect silence. This smart device works on the GSM net. This has been Katia Di Mariano. See you next time.